Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Transformation Blueprint channel, your ultimate guide to efficient productivity in a fast-paced and digital era. AI is blowing up right now. Every day, there's a new headline about some crazy AI doing things we never thought possible. Self-driving cars, robots in factories, algorithms writing novels. It's mind-blowing, but also kinda terrifying, right? Because let's be real, a lot of those headlines sound like a robot symphony playing the funeral march for our jobs. But hold up, before you panic, unsubscribe, and start building your bunker in the woods, what if I told you AI isn't the enemy? What if it's actually the biggest wealth creation opportunity we've seen in decades? That's right, instead of fearing AI, we're going to learn how to leverage it to come out on top. We're talking about turning this so-called job apocalypse into a future-proofed career, maybe even a whole new business. This is the Transformation Blueprint, your guide to not just surviving, but thriving in the age of AI. Hit that like button if you're ready to evolve, and subscribe because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, the job situation. Yeah. Reports like that McKinsey study saying 800 million jobs could be gone by 2030 are pretty freaky. But here's the thing about those reports, they often focus on the jobs lost, not the jobs created and optimized. Think about it. The internet killed off video stores and travel agents, but it also gave birth to e-commerce giants and social media managers. AI is no different. It's already creating entirely new industries that didn't even exist a few years ago. Take AI content creation tools, for example. Last year alone, that market exploded, growing 10 times larger than the year before. People are using AI to write articles, create videos, even compose music, and they're making some cool cash doing it. The difference maker? They're not running AI, they're running it. They understand that the future belongs to those who can leverage these AI tools, not to those who try to resist the inevitable. Think about it, the printing press put scribes out of business, but it also created a whole new world of opportunity for printers, publishers, and authors. The key takeaway here is that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It all depends on who's wielding it. And right now, the people who are winning in this new economy are the ones who are learning how to use AI to their advantage. They're not just consuming AI-generated content, they're creating it. They're not just worrying about their jobs being automated, they're figuring out how to automate other people's jobs and create new ones. So, the question isn't whether AI will steal your job, the question is, will you be the one using AI to create the next big thing, or will you be left behind? Hold on. Okay, I know what you're thinking, that's all inspiring and stuff, but what about job? Is my career about to get Thanos snapped out of existence? Fair question. So, let's get real for a second and talk about the jobs that are most at risk. If your work involves a lot of repetition, predictability, and can be easily automated, well, AI is coming for you, my friend. Think telemarketing. AI-powered chatbots are already handling customer service calls, booking appointments, and even closing deals. All while sounding more human than ever. And guess what? They work 24/7. They don't need coffee breaks, and they definitely don't ask for a raise. Then there are bank tellers. With online banking and mobile deposits becoming the norm, those classic bank teller lines are shrinking faster than my patience for a slow internet connection. AI can handle transactions, flag suspicious activity, and even provide financial advice, all without needing a single sick day. And let's not forget about routine manufacturing jobs. Those robots you see in car factories, they're not just a cool, futuristic image, they're the new workforce. They're faster, more precise, and they don't mind working in those less than ideal conditions. But here's the thing, even if your job isn't on the immediate chopping block, chances are, some parts of it can be automated. And that's actually a good thing. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather have AI handle the tedious, repetitive tasks so you can focus on the more creative, strategic, and ultimately more fulfilling aspects of your work? That's the real opportunity here. AI isn't here to replace us entirely. It's here to free us from the mundane and unlock our true potential. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can handle all the boring stuff while you focus on the big picture. The key is to adapt and evolve alongside AI to become the kind of worker that AI can't replace. So how do you do that? That's what we're going to dive into next. Stay tuned. become an unstoppable force in the age of AI. Alright, now that we've covered the skills you need to thrive in the age of AI, let's get practical. How do you actually use AI to level up your career, boost your income, and maybe even start that side hustle you've been dreaming of? Well, it all starts with embracing the tools at your disposal. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This AI language model is like having a super-powered writing assistant at your fingertips. Use it to draft emails, write articles, generate social media content, even create presentations. It can save you hours of time and make your writing sharper and more engaging. Then there's Midjourney. This AI image generator is a game changer for anyone who needs visuals. Need a logo for your new business? Midjourney can create dozens of options in seconds. Want to illustrate your blog post with stunning imagery? Midjourney has got you covered. And let's not forget about Zapier. This automation tool lets you connect all your favorite apps and automate your workflow. Imagine having your emails automatically sorted, your social media posts scheduled in advance, and your data entry handled without lifting a finger. That's the power of automation. But here's the thing, simply using these tools isn't enough. The real magic happens when you start thinking about how you can use them to provide more value, work more efficiently, and ultimately, command higher rates for your services. Think about it. If you can use AI to 10x your output, you can 10x your income. Instead of writing one article per day, you can write 10. Instead of designing one logo per week, you can design dozens. And because you're using AI to streamline your workflow, you can offer your services at a more competitive price while still increasing your profit margins. The possibilities are endless. Use AI to create online courses, launch an e-commerce store, or offer consulting services. The key is to identify a need in the market and then use AI to provide a solution more efficiently and effectively than your competition. So, there you have it. AI isn't the enemy. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can help you achieve your wildest dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the future, level up your skills, and get ready to win in the age of AI. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and the winners won't be those who fear change, but those who embrace it. Remember, AI won't replace, but someone AI will. So the question is, which side of history do you want to be on? Let me know in the comments what your job is, and I'll give you some personalized tips on how to AI-proof it. And make sure you subscribe, because next time, we're diving into the world of AI side hustles. Easy ways to use these tools to generate passive income in your spare time. It's time to take control of your future and ride the wave of technological advancement. The Transformation Blueprint is here to guide you every step of the way. Let's do this.